everyone, and welcome back to FXX. I'm Max, and today we're stepping inside one of the most talked about empires in the prop firm world, FTMO. Now, in a land filled with traders swinging wildly, questionable firms popping up like roadside taverns, and the occasional disappearing act, FTMO has built something very different. A reputation, a structure, some might even say a kingdom. But the real question is this the crown jewel of prop firms, or just another castle with a shiny front gate? A portcullis for those interested. Before we storm the walls, a quick disclaimer. The prop firm industry is still largely unregulated, which means no matter how polished things look on the surface, there are always risks involved. That is why it's important you do your research, because not every kingdom is built to last. So today we're going to break FTMO down across 5 key pillars: registration and legitimacy, pricing and rules, trading platforms, customer service, and online presence, before wrapping up with the pros, cons, and the final swing. And you can skip to certain sections using the timestamp below. Let's enter the kingdom and roll that intro. Starting with registration and legitimacy. FTMO was founded back in 2015 in Prague, and in prop firm terms that makes them one of the original rulers of this space. While many firms have come and gone, FTMO has remained standing, which already tells you a lot about the strength of their foundations. This is not a pop-up tent pretending to be a castle. This is a firm that has stood the test of time, built a global reputation, and earned a level of trust that many others are still trying to claim. Online reviews are consistently strong, and within the trading community, FTMO is widely seen as one of the more legitimate and reliable options in what can sometimes feel like, should we say, a very grey and uncertain industry. And then there's the big move, their acquisition of Unwanted. Now, that is not a small deal, that's a serious statement. It shows that FTMO is not just playing within the prop firm sandbox, but expanding into the wider regulated trading world. That kind of move requires capital structure and long-term vision. So when it comes to legitimacy, FTMO is not just another name on the list. It is one of the main fortresses in the entire landscape. Next up, pricing and rules. Now, this is where FTMO really stands out, and where a lot of other firms start to crumble. FTMO keeps things simple, and in trading terms, simple is powerful. They offer a 1-step and a 2-step challenge with account sizes ranging from 10,000 to 200,000. Structure is clear, the targets are defined, and the rules are easy to understand. But importantly, they're, wait for it, consistent. Unlike some firms that seem to rewrite the rulebook every other week, move the goalposts, or introduce confusing conditions, FTMO's rules feel stable. They're not constantly changing, and that gives traders confidence. It feels like they're trying to create an environment where traders can succeed, not one where traders are set up to fail. And that is a big difference. They also offer a free trial, which is a great addition. It allows you to step into the arena, test your approach, and get comfortable before committing any of your own capital. Think of it as training in the courtyard before entering the main battle. For those who perform well, there are scaling plans available, meaning you can gradually increase your account size as you prove consistency. And for elite traders, there is a premium program, which feels very much like the royal inner circle of the empire. On top of that, when you take a challenge, you also gain access to a range of tools, including a trading journal, economic calendar, account metrics, and the FTMO Academy. These are not just decorative features, they're practical tools that can actually help you improve. Overall, the pricing and rules are clear, fair, and structured in a way that feels, well, properly engineered. There's no hidden traps, no sudden surprises, just a system that rewards discipline. Now let's move on to trading platforms. FTMO offers a strong selection here, giving traders the freedom to choose their weapon of choice. You have MetaTrader 4, the classic blade. Reliable, familiar, and still widely used across the Forex world. Then there's MetaTrader 5, which builds on that foundation with more features, more assets, and a slightly more modern feel. You also have CTrader, which is known for its clean design, advanced functionality, and strong execution. A favourite among traders who want precision and control. And finally, DXTrade, which offers a sleek, web-based experience with customization options and a modern interface. Having all 4 available means you are not forced onto one system. You can choose the platform that fits your style, your strategy, and your workflow, which is exactly how it should be. Next up, customer service. And this is an area where FTMO really holds its ground. They offer email support, live chat, and a very comprehensive FAQ section that covers most common queries. But the standout feature here is the live chat. You are typically connected to a real human in under a minute. Now, that might not sound revolutionary, But in a world full of automated replies, endless bots, and scripted responses, I actually think it is. When you're dealing with challenges, rules, or withdrawals, being able to speak to a real person quickly is incredibly valuable. It shows that the firm is not hiding behind walls. They are actually there to support their traders. FTMO clearly understands that communication is part of the experience, not an afterthought. Finally, online presence. FTMO has built a very strong and very visible presence across the trading world. They have over 400,000 followers on Instagram, similar following on YouTube, and a Discord community with over 100,000 members. But this is not just about numbers. Their team actively engages with traders, shares content, and maintains a presence within the community. It feels like an active kingdom, not just a collection of abandoned castles. That visibility builds trust, it shows transparency, and it reinforces the idea that FTMO is here for the long run. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, FTMO offers strong legitimacy, consistent and fair rules, a wide range of trading platforms, excellent customer service, and a well-established presence in the industry. The added tools and educational resources also provide real value for traders who are looking to improve. On the downside, well, like all prop firms, the challenge model is still demanding. You need discipline, patience, and proper risk management. This is not a shortcut to success, and it's not designed to be. FTMO challenges are set at a premium price, but you get what you pay for. So the final chop. FTMO has built something that very few firms in this space have managed to achieve. Stability, trust, and a structure that actually supports traders rather than working against them. If we're sticking with the theme, this is not just another castle trying to look impressive from the outside. This is one of the main strongholds of an established kingdom. Reinforced, well managed, and clearly built with long-term intent. And while no firm is perfect, FTMO does come pretty close. We're giving them a rating of 4.7 out of 5. Just shy of the perfect crown, but very much sitting amongst the jewels. If you found this review useful, make sure you subscribe, check out our other reviews, and let us know which firm you want us to break down next. Stay sharp, trade smart, and we'll see you next time at the sharp end.